Hello everyone, this is Daphne Dames and welcome back to the fifth video of our Christmas series. Today's video is extremely special and cute. As you can see, we have made this beautiful little Santa's cloak for our little angel. And while she's resting, let me show you how we made it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and do check out our Christmas playlist to watch all of our Christmas videos from this year and last year as well. Pets are more than just animals. They are members of our family. And the joy, happiness and love they bring can never be measured to anything else. Thus, they deserve all of our love, right? Especially during Christmas. And we're sure you'll enjoy this video if you're a true animal lover like us. So without any further ado, let's make them feel special. We start by taking the measurements. First, we measure the entire back from neck down and then the circumference of the neck. And lastly, from the forehead to the neck for the hood. We've chosen this beautiful red velvet cloth for the cloak, and I'm going to fold it in half and cut it according to the measurements that I've taken. Now let's trace out a curve on one corner of our cloth and cut that out. Let's open that up and start giving it the shape. I'm going to start pleating the cloth inwards from both the sides until we reach the center and keeping the plates in place with the help of some pins. We will need to stitch along this line. Let's keep that aside right now and bring in our white fur. We'll be attaching a thin strip of this white fur along the edges of the cape. Let's secure these with some pins as well. And our cloak is almost ready. Time to move on to the hood. Let's bring in the remaining half of our cloth and cut that in half to make our hood. Align these two pieces properly on top of each other, making sure that all of the edges are correctly in place. Now let's trace out the pattern of our hood onto this cloth. Very carefully cut that out as well. Once cut, we stitch the top and the side portion. Now let's bring in our cloak and attach our hood to it. So we open it up and make sure that along the edge where there is no fur, we attach the hood over there, making sure it is nice and wrinkled so that it gives a nice flow. Once the pins are properly attached, it's time to attach the fur as well. Use pins again to keep it in place. So the basic skeleton of our cloak is ready, we just need to stitch it up. But we'll keep this aside for now and bring in the cloth to make the strings. So I've taken this vertical cloth, I'm going to cut it in half and fold those up as well. We'll also need a very small section of our white fur as well. So I'm just going to cut it in a square form. Cut that into two parts as well. We'll be making a small conical shape out of this to attach at the bottom of the string. Our strings are completely stitched and inverted. Time to add our fur bundle to it. We'll just have to stitch it with some needle and thread. Insert the fur in the opening that we have left in our string and stitch that up. And our string is ready. Time to bring in our cloak and attach it to it. I have stitched the entire cloak wherever I had placed the pins, and I've already attached one of the strings on one side. Time to attach the other one. So I've left an opening in the white fur, so I'm just going to insert the string into it and just stitch it up. The strings are completely secure to tie around the neck. Now let's see how our cloak has turned out. And I think it looks perfect and absolutely cute. Now all we have to do is try it on our little angel. Or should I say, our Santa angel. She literally was such an angel while trying this out. And doesn't she look cute? Aww, she's absolutely adorable. I mean, we are literally in love with the Santa cloak that we have made for her. And we're sure that she loves it as well. And We hope that you have enjoyed this video and would definitely make something like this for your pets. If you have loved it, do give us a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends and families, especially all the animal lovers, pet lovers. And just give us a big fat thumbs up and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and be merry, be happy, and have a happy and Merry Christmas. Time for a nap after all that playing around. We must say, Santa does leave precious gifts under the tree, like he did for us.